parents think making comics is a waste of time, send them this video because this waste of time is becoming a $43 billion industry. And the crazy part, you don't need a big studio, fancy degree, or even a team to enter this space. This is the rise of webtoons, and it might be one of the biggest career opportunities of the decade. Right now, the global webtoons market is worth around $5 billion in 2025, but in just next 5 years, it's expected to explode to nearly $43 billion. That's a growth rate of over 30% every single year. To put that into perspective, very few industries grow at this speed consistently. And this isn't happening in isolation. Webtoons are part of a much bigger ecosystem. The digital content and streaming market itself is heading towards $400 billion, and overall media industry is worth trillions. So even a small slice of the pie makes webtoons a massive opportunity. Now, here's where things get interesting. The biggest growth is coming from Asia Pacific, which alone is expected to hit around $20 billion. Countries like South Korea, Japan, and China already have a strong culture of digital comics. But at the same time, the US is rapidly catching up and is expected to reach $10 billion on its own. This is no longer a niche trend, it's going global. So why exactly is this industry exploding? Number one, smartphones. Webtoons are designed for vertical scrolling, which means they are perfect for how we already consume content on our phones. With cheaper internet, millions of new users are entering this ecosystem every day. Number two, money. The biggest chunk of revenue, almost 70%, comes from subscriptions. People are now willing to pay for ad-free experiences, early access, exclusive content. And on the top of that, ads and microtransactions are creating multiple income streams. Third, and this is a huge adaptation, webtoons are no longer just comics. They are becoming Netflix shows, anime, movies, even games, which means a single story can turn into an entire franchise. And this is where it becomes interesting for you, because unlike traditional entertainment industries, webtoons are creative first. You don't need permission, you don't need connections, you can literally start from your room. If you can draw, you can become an illustrator. If you can write, you can become a storyteller. If you can do both, you can build your own webtoon series. And even if you can't draw perfectly, today there are tools, AI and collaborations that make entry easier than ever. And here's the biggest insight. We are still early. This is like YouTube in its early days, or Instagram before everyone became a creator. In just 5 years, the industry is expected to add over $23 billion from subscriptions and another $10 billion from ads. That kind of growth creates opportunities for thousands of new creators. So the real question is not whether webtoons will grow. The real question is, will you stay just a consumer or become a creator in a $43 billion industry? If you want more breakdowns like this about future careers, hidden industries, and opportunities, make sure you subscribe, because the next big opportunity is already here.